Ooh, that's good and muddy. Huh?
Spider web on them.
Oh. Alright, another creek fishing video. It's all really shallow right here, so. Holy snipes, that was slippery. Ceiling fan blade.
Oh.
It's a little swollen. Ooh, that water's warm. Oh, there we go.
What?
Not a fish, but no, crawdad. A little bit of crawdad. I could put them back in there.
Oh, yeah.
Like right past it.
Oh, right there too.
Ooh, there we go. There's some fish.
You see them?
Yeah, they're hanging out right there. There we go.
You got the little baby there.
Yeah, it did. Heck yeah.
He's angry.
Calm down. Little tiny creek bass. What do you think, baby?
Cute.
It's cute, yeah. Woo! Looks like there's a couple more there.
Yeah.
Oh!
He was too small, I think.
I mean, he was definitely pulling on it.
Yeah,
There we go. He's a little smaller than the last one,
yeah.
but still a bass. Little creek bass.
Oh my god.
I wonder if
That
you
has to
could.
be the smallest bass you've ever caught.
Oh my gosh, yeah, but look how he freaking got it. I mean, it fits in his mouth.
Barely.
There
Oh
we go.
my god. That's so funny. Can you even lip it? Is your finger too big?
Clip it with the pinky. Oh, shit. Sorry,
Not
babe.
hooking. That's how we do it. There you go.
Do you want to put him down?
You get him? He's so cute and tiny.
There he
Yeah.
goes. Did you see him take it?
Uh-uh.
Yeah, there's a couple little good ones. I like it. What do you think, babe?
There he is.
Watch out. It's not too slippery out here if you want to come closer and kind of like cast up into the little nook. Oh, you got one. Well, shit, babe. Yeah, get him.
Yeah, I got the good size.
Yeah, you did. Yeah. My baby got a bass.
You got mine?
Yeah.
Yay! Ready?
Yep. Go bass, go. Oh my lord. Kickstart. Okay. They might be catching on in this hole. Think. On to the next one. Feel free to get some B-roll of those little rapids behind you or something.
Let me do the first one.
Oh, get in there, girl. I'll cast over here.
Huh?
I saw a cast over here.
Oh, I can.
Okay, I'm sorry. Go. Damn, they're all over that thing. There you go.
Oh, it's a pretty sunfish.
That is a pretty sunfish.
Oh, look how blue it is.
Yeah, those are nice.
Wow, that's a pretty one.
I love those sunfish.
Okay, calm down.
Mm-hmm. Try to hold them sideways.
Can you open your mouth? Thank you. Open your mouth. Oh, that's gonna freak out on my hand.
So pretty. Alright, go for the release.
Ready?
Are you throwing them?
Oh, I'll let him go. Nice and gentle. That was a pretty one.
That was a pretty one. Go for another.
Go for it.
Got him? Oh, it's a little bass. Oh, there you go. Do you want to release them?
You can do it, baby. Should I reset this hook?
Little bitty dude.
I feel like this is a baby bass record.
Huh?
I feel like these are baby bass records.
Yeah.
Now that you're catching.
Yeah. Whoop. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for this video. We made it all the way down to Centerville. I think just like on the last video, last week's video, I'll put another map at the end marking the distance that we covered. Both caught some pretty good creek fish today. I'm happy with it for sure. How about you?
I'm done.
She's done, but she came with me, so it makes me happy. But yeah, thanks for joining us guys, and we'll see y'all next time.